What are some myths, Avi, that you believe about AI?
Oh man, Connor, it is like once AI has got these myths and these horror stories. I love that myth. Last week we talked about, Connor, about a company running up, what was it, some
$500 million.
in token usage. AI has reached the point where we all need some clarity on AI. That I'm mostly invested in is that AI is going to take people's jobs. I don't think that's going to happen.
Yeah.
I think each industry is so specific that it's not going to be a cliff where all of a sudden there's no lawyers, all of a sudden there's no accountants, and everything's been replaced by just like some terminal. That's one of the myths, I think. I think it'll mostly be a slow descent where certain jobs are no longer there. Useful roles that it would be helpful to have a human there. But on the other side, I think there's a lot of jobs that were sort of not bringing the best of human potential out.
Yeah.
And those,
They're important.
Yes.
Need to be done.
Yes.
Which is why people got paid to do them.
But
their time could be better spent.
Yes. It's, you're not flourishing if all your job is just to send
to do an Excel sheet.
Yeah, type some basic thing. So those will go away. How about you? Do you have any myths that you think are real?
AI is just so perfect and unbiased, right? That's one of the common myths is like, okay, this all-knowing being is going to just always have the right answer.
So that's the idea that like voice of God, AI, what should I do?
What should I do today?
Yeah, how should I live my life? Or as you get involved, if it's therapeutic, if it's telling you things to do, how do you navigate the kind of
I think
factual nature of AI?
Part of it is understanding how it was trained. And it's trained off of the data we all have put out into the world, including the crazy stuff on the internet, social media, Reddit, of all places.
Yes, so much Reddit in AI.
So much Reddit. So, I mean, understanding, yes, it's very intelligent and it can draw these connections and patterns, but also knowing it was based on, millions of posts and things online and maybe some books and things it grounds it a little bit in, okay, it is smart, but it is based in our own sort of information that we've put out.
So, it's just a little sense. We grew up with it, but like kids who are, we grew up through the internet. So we kind of can see, it's recycling some of that slop from Reddit. It's kind of like the snake eating its own tail. Yeah. However, kids who are new to it may see it as the objective truth, may not have the same sort of lens that we do. So it's important to remember, hey, this is coming from somewhere. This is not, just objective. The myth I think is interesting, which we'll tackle next time, is do you need to be highly technical to use AI? See you next time.
See ya.